Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Mad Muscles review. So, if you're wondering what is Mad Muscles here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, Mad Muscles here is a fitness app built around personalized workout and diet plans. Now, it's designed for people who want to gain muscle, lose weight, or just get more shredded, and it builds a plan around your specific goals rather than giving everyone the same routine. Now, the program is primarily built for men, though it is still open to women who want to follow the same style of training. Now, here's what it actually offers. Now, once you're actually in, the app gives you a mix of static and dynamic workouts covering different muscle groups, and you get to choose whether you're working out at home or at the gym. Now, beyond standard strength training here, there's also stuff like calisthenics, military style workouts, Tai Chi, and chair yoga in the mix. So it's not just one style. Now, every exercise comes with professional video tutorial showing you exactly how to do it. And if you don't like the particular exercise in your plan, there's a swap feature. So the app will replace it with something else that targets the same muscle group at the same difficulty level. Now, there's also an achievement system to keep you motivated and analytical reports to track things like calories burned, workouts complete, and steps walked with your first report showing up after about a week of training. Now, the app can sync with Apple Health or Google Health to pull in your activity data too, so to on top of the workout. So there's a meal plan feature as well, which is it offered as a separate add-on. So once you pay for it, it unlocks the meal in the meals tab, complete with recipes and a shopping list. There are also options one-time challenges and you can actually take on, which don't affect your regular subscription costs. Now, how do you actually start using it? Now, you start that by downloading the app and going through the quiz style setup, answering questions about your age, body type, and goal, and whether that's gaining muscle, losing weight, or getting shredded. And after that, you'll get a pin code by email to log in, and from there, the app is organized into a few main tabs, the My Programs tabs, and show your workouts for today and your plan for the week. Now, you just need to tap the three lines in the corner to see your full workout schedule. The Explore tab lets you browse the workouts and challenges by goals, and the Me tab is where you track your progress, number of workouts completed, time spent, or a progress graph, step tracker, calorie tracker. So everything about yourself and also your achievement badges. So you can also log your weight there to keep your progress overview up to date. Now, as for the pricing here, Mad Muscle runs on a subscription model with monthly, quarterly, or yearly plan options. Now, new users here typically start with a discounted introductory offer for a set period, and once that intro period ends, it automatically renews into a full price plan unless you cancel it first. Now, the app shows your renewal price and renewal date so you can track it. Now, to cancel, you just need to go through your account subscription settings in the app or manage it directly through the App Store or Google Play Store if that's where you originally subscribe. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.